In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to admit Zoom attendees from a waiting room. The Zoom waiting room is a simple security and meeting flow feature that lets you control exactly when people enter your session. This is especially helpful if you want a quiet start, need to verify who's joining, or prefer to admit guests in an organized way. To follow along, make sure you're the host or a co-host of the meeting, since only hosts can admit people from the waiting room. Let's begin by opening the Participants panel. On the Zoom meeting toolbar, look for the Participants button. It's typically along the bottom of the window. Click it, and a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel shows everyone currently in the meeting, and, if the waiting room is enabled, anyone who's queued and waiting to be let in. You might also hear a chime or see a pop-up when someone arrives, so keep an eye and ear out for those alerts during your session. Inside the Participants panel, you'll see a dedicated waiting room section whenever at least one person is waiting. Each attendee's display name appears there. To let someone in, simply click Admit next to their name. The attendee will immediately be moved from the waiting room into your live meeting, and you'll see their status change in the participants list. If several people arrive at once, you may also see an option to admit them together. Use that when you want everyone to join at the same time, or continue admitting individuals to control the pace and maintain focus. A few practical tips can make this smoother. Glance at the display names to confirm who you expect, especially in sessions where only registered participants should join. Consider admitting presenters or panelists first so they can get settled, then bring in the rest of the group. If you're running a class or webinar-style session, admitting attendees in small batches helps you welcome them, set expectations, and keep early chatter to a minimum. If you don't see a waiting room section, either no one is currently waiting, the feature isn't enabled for this meeting, or you might not be the host. In that case, check your role in the meeting or coordinate with the host. Also, keep the participants panel open throughout your session so you can quickly admit late arrivals without interrupting your flow. That's all there is to it. Open the participants panel, then admit people from the waiting room when you're ready. With this simple workflow, you'll keep your meetings secure, organized, and on schedule.